Hi everyone, today we are testing the task in Clodify system. Here is the task, contract a client API. We have the API. Okay, so the task is that user ID should be optional. If user ID is not passed and lead email exists, okay, we are creating a new user. Otherwise, we have an error. Okay. So we are going to CRM your leads page, and here we have new leads, but in new leads we don't have contract action, so we need to check in qualified. Let's add one user here, and let's try to convert. No, we cannot because we have an error. The error should be please add an email for the lead before creating a contract. Please add an email for the lead before creating your contract. Okay, let's add. And let's check if we have this user. Vivian test. We don't have this user. We have 43. Okay. Vivian. Here. And Vivian here. Client. Active. 44 users. Okay. Let's check prospect. Yes, we have an error. Let's add. Okay. AMI test. And we have the user. Client. Active. Here we have also contract action. Let's check. Nothing happened. Oh, okay, yes, we have the error here. Okay, and Susan. Susan, we have. And yes, Susan, we have the client and it is active. What's happening here? Okay, user ID, it is optional. If we don't have the user, create a new role. Yes, this is correct, and this is also correct. Okay, so we can close.